Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Google Chrome, sign into Zoom or pick Join from browser and start now. Once done, allow camera and microphone when Chrome asks, because without permissions you cannot speak or show video. Make sure you select the right devices in Chrome's site settings. If you have multiple mics or cameras, pick the one you want. Also close other apps that might lock audio or video so Chrome can access them reliably. This prevents conflicts before you join the meeting. After joining, you'll see in Meeting Options, select Join with Browser to stay in Chrome. Next, choose your camera, microphone, and speaker from the drop-downs. Click Test Speaker and Microphone so you know others will hear you. Use the video toggle to start video, and if privacy or bandwidth matters, enable background blur or a virtual background. Once configured, adjust volume and position your camera. These choices improve presence and prevent surprises during the meeting, so take a moment to confirm them. You finish by mastering the meeting controls, mute and unmute quickly, start or stop video, open chat, view participants, and share your screen when needed. If recording is essential, ask the host or use the record button if permitted. Choose grid or speaker view depending on your focus. Finally, if something breaks, troubleshoot. Reselect audio devices in Settings, refresh the tab, or restart Chrome. If that fails, try reopening the meeting link. These quick steps resolve most browser-based Zoom issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.